Today, I wanted to experience something different. I've been doing this for 25 plus years. You kind of go around the block, you think you know everything, but I was really keen to come and refresh, spend some time on the business, thinking about my training, my development, and what we could do within the firm differently.
And today, probably being around other people like myself, like-minded accountants that are passionate about really helping their clients. And with the way that Steve and Ainsley present the sessions, they show that clarity is a simple tool to help your clients. It's not this big scary thing, this advisory thing. It's
absolutely phenomenal. It's going to change your business forever. It's brilliant. It's the best course that I've been on in around about 5, 6, 7 years, as long as I can remember.
A mastermind day like this empowers you and excites you and makes you want to develop your firm and bring the whole team and get them excited about it.
Give me that day one feeling again with my business. So I'm now looking at it and thinking, right, it's like 10 years ago when I started Valued, all over again. I've got that excitement, I've got the buzz, and it's absolutely just inspired me.
I think the biggest takeaway had to do with the confidence of the team especially, and how the experience of the team members is so different from that of the partners, the directors, the owners, and how it takes time for these things to happen.
It's really useful to be around other accountants that are going through the same process as us and hearing what they've tried, what's working well, what isn't, and yeah, pinching some of their good ideas and recognising that we've gone through some of the pain that they've been through as well.
I've done some quick calculations, and I actually think that today and the actions that I'm taking on the back of today is going to make us around about £150,000 a year extra profit. I'm blown away.
So the big shift that we wanted to now go and implement in our firm itself, it's over the next few years, is really moving away from just doing compliance, just being a number cruncher. We want to really go and change clients' lives.
Okay, if you're not coming to this event, I want to know why. Genuinely, drop me an email, send me a message on why you're not going to turn up, why you're not going to spend a couple of £100.
Just do it. Don't overthink it. If you're keen to give more to your clients, then come along, meet other people like you, and find out that it's not as difficult as you may think it is.
So if you're serious about your business, if you want to make a change, if you want more time as a principal in your business to work on what's important to you, to help your clients, to advise your clients, pop on the Clarity Day because it will inspire you.